Morning, boys and girls. I hope you had a lovely weekend. I hope you enjoyed some of the beautiful weather that we had, and welcome to the next week of remote learning. Before I get into the things that I would like you to do today and a little update, I just want to stop and say a huge thank you. Thank you to you for uploading things and sending me pictures and videos of the things that you're getting up to. Thank you to parents who are helping you to get some of the things done and helping you with some of the computer stuff and helping make sure that you're on Zoom. You guys are doing an amazing job, and the level of connectivity that I'm reaching with this class is amazing. And I just want to say that's a pure testament to you kids who are making sure you get sorted and your parents who are helping you to do that. So just really impressed by that, and I just wanted to say that before we get into any other work thing, because I haven't said it enough, I don't think, and I think I really do need to say that I'm proud of you guys. It's not an easy time. There's going to be times where some things just seem unachievable or you can't do it for whatever reason. Don't get upset about that, because that's just going to happen sometimes, doing something that is completely different to the usual. And you guys are amazing. So keep that in the back of your mind. We are moving forward this week. We have a Zoom today at 1 with Dr. Bacon. I put a little schedule up yesterday so that you could see what Zooms to expect across the week and then what assignments I would be giving out each day. The Zoom today, Dr. Bacon said that she would really like it. If you can't do it, it's okay, but she would really like it if you guys were able to follow along with the experiment she's showing you. So what that entails is you needing 2 types of seeds, and you'll probably need about 8 of each type of seed to do the experiment. And you'll also need a little paper towel, you'll need a little cup, a plastic cup, and you'll need that sheet, which I also posted yesterday. If you cannot print it, do not worry. You can just, on a scrap piece of paper, make sure you write the title, germination experiment lesson, and then you can just write down as you go. If you can print it, that's great. And if you have a way to access it on the computer or your iPad, that would be great too. I would also like you today to plan out what you're going to write for your report. So last week, you read 3 pages about the threats to bees in Bermuda. And then on the last day, there were 4 options for you to choose, 4 different writing report options. Whichever one you chose, the planning section is the same for all. So what you're going to do is, first, if you haven't picked, you're going to pick one of those 4 options. And then once you have picked one of those 4 options, you're going to do a writing plan. So what that's going to look like, because it is a nonfiction report that you're writing, is very similar to persuasive writing, in that I still would like you to use point, evidence, explanation for each of your points. So what I would suggest is you draw a window on your page. So 4 boxes on your page. At the top, you can write which one you've chosen. In each window, I would like you to come up with 4 points that answer your report's question or that you would like to talk about. So you're going to have 4 main points. Those will turn into 4 paragraphs. So you'll have a window-shaped plan, and inside each box, you're going to have your point, and then you're going to have any kind of research or supporting details or things that you're going to be including in your writing. If you do this, it's a way of really clearly organizing your ideas so that when it comes to you writing the paragraphs about each of those points, it's not jumbly and you're not skipping from point to point and then back to the other point again. It's actually sectioned, chunked. So if you split your page, your planning page, into 4, then you can focus on your 4 points. You can go back to have a look in those reading pieces to see if there's any supporting details that might help you. And if you have an idea that's just your own, you can add that too, an opinion. So I want you to just plan it out today. You don't have to start writing if you don't want to yet, but I think having a good plan and making sure that your points are separate so that you can really see them will really help you to write well when it comes to the actual writing portion. So you're choosing your question to answer, you're splitting a page into 4, coming up with 4 points that are going to be included, and any supporting details that are within those. If you need any help with that, let me know. If you need me to build you a separate graphic organizer, I can do that. But the simpler, the better. And if you're having a hard time picking one of the options, or you don't really know what one of them means, let me know and I can help break it down for you a little bit more if that's something that you need. So I'll see you all at 1. The code's on there on that schedule. Try and get the things sorted that will help you go along with the experiment as Dr. Bacon does it. If you can't, that's absolutely okay. And in the meantime, hopefully you can get started picking your topic for your report. That would be great. Let me know if you need anything. Well done. Keep it up. Have a good one. See you soon.